Officer Library here with Officer Beatrix, too. Are you guys ready for a story today? I hope so. What, Beatrix, are you ready? He says he wants to be a policeman. All right then, get on your magic carpets. Ready, Bee? On your magic carpet. Good job, friends. Are you ready? Yes. Crisscross on your magic carpet. But, oh no, where'd he go? Berto? Berto! Can you guys yell for Berto? Because I'm not exactly sure where he went. Berto! Oh! Hello! There he is. Oh, what's... Oh, Berto, I see you're a policeman too. Officer Berto. But I am Berto the Book Bunny. I like to read. I like to sing. Oh, okay, Berto. And I like to kiss. Oh, Berto, whatever you want. Huh. Mr. B is trying to capture a criminal down there. What's happening? Huh. What is happening in the library? Oh, okay. Berto, can you get everybody ready for the story? Put your police eyeballs in. Okay. Put your police officer ears on. Put your canine police dog mouth in. Oh. Woof! Woof! Did you guys bark? Okay. Yes. How about we zip? Zip. Zip. Seatbelts. Click. Put your seatbelt on. Click. Okay. Can you count us down, Berto? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Hold on, everybody. Whoa! Berto, are you holding on? Whoa! Oh! I'm okay. Oh, what? Berto, do you see that over there? Do you see that? It's a jail. Oh, we're at a police station. Oh, it's library. Read the book now. Okay, I will. Let's read the book. What do we have? Oh, I can't wait. Here it is. Officer Buckle, there he is, and Gloria by Peggy Rathmann. But you know what? I better change glasses. I won't be able to read the story without these glasses. Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in Napville. Every time he thought of a new one, he thumbtacked it to his bulletin board. These are thumbtacks. See them? That's how he's tacking them up onto his... You don't want to sit on one of those, right? Ouch. Maybe not touch them either. Sharp. Safety tip number 77. Never stand on a swivel chair. Whoops. Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with the students at Napville School, but no one ever listened. And sometimes, there was even snoring. Oh, look, his shoe is untied. That could be dangerous. Afterward, it was business as usual. Mrs. Topple, the principal, took down the welcome banner. Oh, never stand on a swivel chair, said Officer Buckle, but Mrs. Topple didn't hear him. Look at all the accidents, either about to happen or have happened. He slipped on water, his shoes untied, the book fell on his head. Oh dear, that's just not good. Then one day, Knapsville Police Department bought a police dog named Gloria. Oh, I have a police dog too. Here's my police dog. That's Chase. Say hi to Chase. Chase, wave. Babe, Chase. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give the safety speech at school, Gloria went along. Children, this is Gloria, announced Officer Buckle. Gloria obeys my commands. Gloria, sit. And Gloria sat. Hey, Beatrix, Sit. It worked. Hey. Hey, Chase, sit. Close enough. Officer Buckle gave safety tip number, what's that? 1. Keep your shoelaces tied. The children sat up and stared. Look at Gloria. Officer Buckle checked to see if Gloria was sitting at attention. She was. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe up spills before someone slips and falls. The children's eyes popped. Look at Gloria. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. What dog, he said. Officer Buckle thought of a safety tip that he had discovered that morning. Never leave a thumbtack or you might sit on it. The audience roared. He's acting like he just sat on a thumbtack, right? And poor Officer Buckle has no idea. Ah! Officer Buckle grinned. He said the rest of the tips with plenty of expression. The children clapped their hands and cheered. Some of them laughed until they cried. Officer Buckle was surprised. He had never noticed how funny safety tips could be. After this safety speech, there wasn't a single accident. He looks pretty happy. The next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the police station. It was stuffed with thank you letters from the students at Natville School. Every letter had a drawing of Gloria on it. Officer Buckle thought the drawing showed a lot of imagination. Look at all the letters. Officer Buckle thinks that Gloria has been sitting behind him the whole time. He doesn't know. His favorite letter was written on, what shape is that? What shape is that? Right, a star.
You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend, Claire. P.S. I always wear a crash helmet. Safety tip number 7.
Officer Buckle was thumbtacking Claire's letter to his bulletin board when the phone started ringing. Grade schools, high schools, and daycare centers were calling about safety speech. Officer Buckle, they said, our students want to hear your safety tips, and please bring along the police dog. Yes. Officer Buckle told his safety tips to 313 schools. That's a lot. Look at. Everywhere he and Gloria went, children sat up and listened. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for ice cream. Ice cream? I didn't know dogs could eat ice cream. Aww, Officer Buckle loved having a buddy. Look at Gloria. She's signing autographs. Do you like ice cream, Chase? Probably. I like ice cream. Then one day, a television news videotaped Officer Buckle in the State College auditorium. Wow, that's a lot of people there, isn't it? Woo. When he finished safety tip number 99, don't go swimming during electrical storms, the students jumped to their feet and applauded. Wait, look at, he's acting like he's just been swimming in a lightning and thunderstorm. You guys know that's why you get out of the water, right? You don't want to get electrocuted. If the lightning hits the water and you're in it, but look how funny that is. Bravo, bravo, they cheered. Oh, he brought his mouse? Oh. They cheered, and Officer Buckle bowed again and again. That night, Officer Buckle watched himself on the 10 o'clock news. Ooh, he's eating popcorn. Look. See? There he is on the news. But he just found out the truth, that Gloria wasn't sitting there the whole time behind him. The next day, the principal of Knappville School telephoned the police station. "Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for our safety speech." Officer Buckle frowned. "I'm not giving any more speeches. Nobody looks at me anyway." "Oh," said Mrs. Topple. "Well, how about Gloria? Can she come?" Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to school. Gloria sat on stage, looking lonely. Then she fell asleep, and so did the audience. And after Gloria left, Knappville School had its biggest accident ever. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splat, splatter, swoosh! Everyone slid smack into Mrs. Topple, who screamed, "Ah!" and let go of her, look at that hammer, and, the thumbtack too. Oh, this cannot be good. And guess what she was standing on? The swivel chair. Look at everybody's, oh no! Oh no! The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked, and at the bottom of the pile was a note written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, "Gloria missed you yesterday. Your friend, Claire. Don't worry, I was wearing my helmet. Safety tip number 7. Look at what happened. It's a good thing she was wearing the helmet, huh? The hammer hit her helmet. Whew, that was a close one. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Wait a minute, can I have a kiss, Chase? Oh, thanks. And Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Oh, I'll give you a pat, Chase. Aw, aw. And then Officer Buckle thought of his best safety tip yet. Always stick with your buddy. Yeah. Right, Chase? We're gonna stick with our buddies. Right, Beatrix? Right. The end. Hey, do you have any safety tips for us? Or for your friends? Or for your mom and dad? Let's look at a few of Gloria's safety tips. Let's see. Never put anything in your ear. There's a banana in his ear. Oh, that's just not good. Never take other people's medicine. Oh, that's really not good. Oh, never play with matches. I know you guys would never do that. Ever, would you? Can you think of some others? How about never fly kites near a power line? Oh dear, that really doesn't sound like a good idea. Or, let's see what else. Oh, look both ways before you cross the street. Well, that's a very important one. And here at school, no running in the halls, right? We don't want to fall and hurt ourselves. And no running with scissors. And, how about always buckle in when you get in your car? Yeah, that's a good one. There's so many good safety tips, right? I bet you can share them.
Hey everyone, it's Miss Library back here. This is Officer Manne, and he has his top 3 safety tips to tell you.
Hi everybody, I'm Officer Manne with Sandy Springs, and some of the best things you can do is always listen to your parents,
Yes.
don't talk to strangers, and whenever you ride your bike or your scooter, make sure to wear a helmet.
That's right, kids. Listen to that. Thanks.